Come test drive the 2021 Metris. The Metris offers relatively nimble dimensions with the ability of larger vans. The interiors can be configured to carry cargo or passengers and comes with plenty of great options. It is designed to fit your business and your garage. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, satellite radio, heated driver's seat, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.